Hi guys! Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. Today, we will make Pichi-Pichi. Pichi-Pichi is a Filipino delicacy or dessert made of cassava. It is very easy to make and you only need few ingredients. Let's get cooking! We will need 2 cups of grated cassava, 1 3/4 cup of water, fresh grated coconut, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of lye water, purple food coloring optional, and 1 teaspoon of pandan flavoring optional. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, add the grated cassava, water, sugar, and lye water, and mix them together until well combined. Then, divide it into 3 bowls. Put a pandan flavor in one of the bowls and give it a stir. And on another bowl, add the purple food coloring, or you can also use ube extract if you have available, but this is optional. Since I did not achieve the color that I want, I'm gonna add a lavender food coloring. But if you have ube extract, you can just use ube extract. By the way, the food coloring are optional. You can just leave it as it is, or you can have the pandan and ube. Now, grease each mold with oil. Then, pour the mixture and fill each mold about 3/4 full. Steam them for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once cooked, remove from the steamer and transfer it into a wire rack to completely cool before unmolding them. Once it has completely cooled, coat it with grated coconut. And here's our finished product! Pichi-Pichi is sticky and gelatinous in texture, and it's so good with fresh grated coconut. I hope you're going to try this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!